Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how to perform a major version upgrade from 9.6.22 to 13.3. We recommend the following process when upgrading on Amazon RDS Postgresql DB instance. First, we need to create the DB instance for 9.6.22. To create a Postgresql DB instance for 9.6.22, you need to sign into the AWS Management Console and open the RDS console. In the upper right corner of the AWS Management Console, choose the AWS region which you want to create the DB instance. I'm going to choose the Oregon region for creating the database instance. In the navigation pane, choose databases. In the database page, choose create database. In the create database page, choose standard create option. Then in the engine option section, choose PostgreSQL. For version, choose PostgreSQL 9.6.22. Scroll down this page. In the template section, choose free tier. In the settings sections, for DB instance identifier, enter the name for your DB instance. For credential settings, for master username, enter the name for your master username or leave the default name. If you want to auto-generate password, then you need to select auto-generate a password checkbox. If you want to manually enter the password, then you need to clear this auto-generate a password. You need to enter the same password for master password or confirm password. In the DB instance class section, choose versatile classes, includes T class, and select DB T2 micro. Scroll down this page. In the storage section, for storage auto-scaling, clear the enable storage auto-scaling checkbox. In the availability and the durability section, use the default value. We are using the free tier option. So here, multi-available zone deployment is disabled. In the connectivity section, for VPC, choose your VPC if you want to create the DB instance. In this session, I'm going to select default VPC. For public access, choose yes option. For VPC security group, choose existing option, then clear default one, then select your custom VPC. For creating a custom security group, you can refer my YouTube channel. I will update the link in description box. For availability zone, you can leave it as it is default. Scroll down this page, expand additional configurations. Database port, you can leave it as it is default. Scroll down this page and expand additional configurations. In the database option section, for initial database name, you need to enter the database name. DB parameter group, you can leave it as it is default. For backup, if you want to enable the automated backup, then leave it as it is default. For backup retention period, you can choose as per your requirement. Scroll down this page, then choose create database. Now database status is in creating state. We need to wait for few minutes for creating the DB instance. Now database status is changing from creating to backup status. Now DB instance status is changing from backups to available status. For connecting this DB instance, you can refer my YouTube channel. Already I uploaded a lot of videos in my YouTube channel. Please refer for creating custom security group and connecting to a PostgreSQL DB instance.